This video is intended to show the operation of the Bridget Cloud wireless scoring system. I'm having to do it on a computer because you couldn't see anything at all when I tried videoing it on a wireless device. This is the start of the evening, what the users would expect to see. All I can do at the moment is enter my name because the scorer needs to set up a game, but I can put my name in as either my player number or my EBU number or my name. Now this is the administrator setting up a game, and you can have a look to see what the movement looks like, which boards are being played by which pairs, at which tables, which round. The red or magenta colour shows that those scores haven't come in yet. Now back to the user, and you see now he's got the chance to start a game, and this is the main scoring screen that he'll be using. Let's put some proper names in now. And I can select one of the table numbers, and the top part has been filled in by the server now, and I've been given which boards I can play. It's already selected board 1 for me, but I can change it to play it out of order if I wanted to. The contract's just a single click to select both 4 and hearts, and once you've fully entered the contract, it comes up on a status what, in full English, what the contract should be, and then East West or the opposition have a chance to accept that. Now you see that board 2's been removed because that's been scored now. I can't score it again. And I've got back the score and what I entered for that previous contract. So I can carry on. Now I'm scoring board 1, and I've decided it was doubled. I forgot to put that in, and that's the traveller coming back for that. Now I've got board 3 to score. Okay, that's been scored, so now I'm on round 2, and the opposition haven't put their name in, so I've just got name not entered for them, but I've moved on for the next pair. I can just set that to passed out if I like. Now an interesting feature here, if that other table didn't put that played this board 4 didn't put the contract in, and I've got the traveller come round with the board, I can enter the score from the traveller in, so it keeps the Bridget has all the scores up to date. It's very easy and quick to enter, so what a single table could actually cope with doing 2 tables. This shows that the scores have gone in for those boards, the green being those are the ones with scores. Now I can select a different table, put some different names in. These are just names at random. The player numbers, put it for the club, and let's have a look at the reduced interface. This is for something like an ebook reader or a very small screen. So it's similar at the top. So we're just having a look to see that board 5 and 6 is correct for table 2. I've only got 2 boards there, that's because we scored the other one. And this is a simple, just one diamond by south making 8 tricks, is 1 DS8. And again I've got the full English description of it, and East West can accept that. And again the traveller comes for board 5, and I moved on for board 6. And to enter a lot of scores, this is just for me testing, I've got this set so that it will enter the entire table automatically, just entering random scores one after the other every 3 seconds. You can see that working its way down table 2 now, and the scores coming in. Obviously that's not something that you want the users to be able to see, so it's only the administrator that will get that view, but the users do have their own score coverage chart that they would be able to see. I'm just waiting for this table to finish scoring. This is obviously not the way the scores would come in with a single table, doing every round without the other tables doing anything, but it does show how flexible it is. Okay, so there's another way of entering scores. I can be a particular pair. I can decide whether I'm playing north, south or east, west at round 1 to identify myself. Let's say I'm Steve Lee and partner Peter Checkley. Right, that's an entry sheet for me to enter my personal scores. If there isn't anybody scoring at any table I'm playing at. So you can see I'm just looking to see which ones I've already scored there. Those are the 22, 23, 24 on pair 5 east west. So those have already been done. Let's put some scores in. Just anything that comes into my head. 3 no trumps by south, 1 diamond by west, making 7. So it's quite a quick, easy interface. This is how to enter a double contract. And you can see the pair 5 east-west scores have gone in now. And a few more. As I move around to different tables. And this is the user screen to show that coverage. Or I could have a look at the scoreboard. It's not going to make much sense at the moment with the way the scores have been entered, but at any point you can look at the scores to see how they're going.